So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to examine your computer system hardware using tools that are installed in Windows-based computers. You'll also be using third-party software to examine computer components. First off, we're going to go to the control panel. So to get there, you click on your start menu, control panel, go to category, select small icons so you can see everything. Click on system. This will open up your system window, which will display you information about your processor, Windows Edition, memory, system type, computer name, and also product ID. Now to do this on a Windows 8 machine, you just right click on the start menu, select system, and that'll take you to the systems window. Next we'll be using systeminfo.exe. That's a command line utility that displays information about your Windows version, BIOS, processor, memory, network configuration, and virtualization. Click on your start menu, type in CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator, click on yes, and type in systeminfo.exe. Then hit enter. And this will pull up all your system info. To access system info exe in a Windows 10 machine, you right click on the start menu, click on run, next we'll be using MSInfo32 utility, which shows details about a computer's hardware configuration, computer components, and software, including drivers. To get there, you click on start, run, type in MSInfo32, .exe, click on OK, and it opens up the utility. It shows categories in the left pane, and on the right pane it shows details. There's the processor type. You can also use the search box. So we'll type in display, click on find, and there's information about the display hardware. You can also choose to export a report to a text document. So we'll click on File, Export. We'll save it in the document section. So you're going to right click on the blank space, create a new folder, name it System Info. Double click on the folder you just created to open it up. And you're going to name the text document Display Info and the date. Then click Save, and it generates the text document for you. So now we'll go back and open the document that we just created. And there's the report there. Open it up. Next we'll be using the DirectX Diagnostic tool. It's a built-in tool in the Windows operating system designed to help you troubleshoot DirectX related issues and provide detailed information about a system's graphics adapter, sound card, and input devices. So to get there, click on your Start menu. Type in dxdiag.exe. Locate the tool and open it. When you get to the prompt, just click on No. At the bottom of each page, there's a note section. If there's a problem, then they'll be described there at the bottom. So we're also going to save this report to a text file. And there's the report there. The last thing we're going to do is use a third-party application called FreePC Audit. This tool can be used to examine the PC's hardware components as well. You'll notice that it also displays a list of shares, hotfixes, and Windows updates.